Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be looking at, very briefly, a section of a new project that's coming out called PolkaFantasy. This is going to be, I think, is going to be a huge NFT kind of gaming project that's coming out very soon. The IDO is not out yet, it's coming out in early September, but I didn't want to speak about PolkaFantasy just now as such. I want to speak about the NFT auction that's going on just now. So we're going to jump over, and we can see here, this is the PolkaFantasy website, the Chain of Realms. So this is a Japanese NFT marketplace and multiverse game. Now, initially they're going to be bringing out the NFT marketplace, and the animation, not the animation, but the artwork for this is stunning. It's beautiful, and it's what first attracted me to it. Kind of looked into it and I thought, this is just going to be amazing. And really wanted to get in on this as well. So what I'll do is I'll very quickly show you the video just now, because the video itself looks amazing. It's almost kind of cinematic. Well, it is cinematic, obviously. But you can see here, when you go through the website, it just looks stunning. So that's a very quick overview of PolkaFantasy. It's an NFT marketplace, and there's going to be a multiverse game as well that's going to be coming out based on ACG as well, which is the Japanese animation comics and game culture. And it's going to be big, and it's the first kind of Japanese anime to come out in the NFT space and gaming space as well. As you know, the play to earn is huge at the moment, and GameFi is huge at the moment. It's only going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And the beautiful thing about this, even if there's a downturn in the market, if Bitcoin goes down, if kind of Ethereum falls down or whatever, you're still going to get the game tokens are going to do really well, because everybody plays games. And you're still going to get the NFT space. You know that's still doing really well at the moment as well. So with that being said, let's jump over to the NFT auction that's going on just now. So this is a PolkaFantasy in-game characters and items NFT auction. So we'll have 4 tiers here. We've got the legendary tier, we've got the epic tier, the rare tier, and the common tier. Now, when you buy an NFT at $50 or more, you will get an NFT, probably a common one for $50. We'll go down it and I'll show you. But you can buy the legendary ones, which is going to give you a lot of the XP tokens when they come out. So it's XP that comes out when PolkaFantasy is released. So you're going to get a lot of the XP tokens for Epic and above. So it just looks amazing. I'm going to show you in a second. So the auction period is actually ending quite soon, within a couple of days. So I'll just say 2 days and 18 hours to go. So it all ends on August the 30th. The minimum is 50 USDT. As I said, it will not be refunded, so it has to be at least 50 USDT. And it's going to be, XP will be distributed to all NFT holders, rare tier and above. So that's all these ones. So if you buy the common ones, you'll still get your NFTs, obviously, which are going to help you in game, but you're not going to get XP tokens for that. If you spend, I think it's over $250, but we'll go down and show you, you will get XP tokens as well when they are released to the market. So as I said, this is not, PolkaFantasy has not come out yet. It's going to come out on IDO early September. Dates have still to be released, but that will be coming out soon as well. So here they are here. You can see here, legendary minimum USDT investment is $5,000. So these legendary NFTs are going to be given to the top 10 bidders in this auction. I'm going to show you the bids just now because it's open. Epic, if you spend a minimum of 500 USDT, you're going to get the NFTs in the Epic section plus XP tokens as rewards as well. And in the rare section, minimum of 250 USDT plus you'll get XP tokens as well. And the common ones, 50 USDT, and you will receive a special NFT weapon to equip the character in game. Now, here is the bids so far. This is the top 10 bids. Now, what I'm expecting, as I said, 2 days and 18 hours to go. I think on the last day it's going to really hot up. So, top 10, and remember, top 10 gets legendary NFTs. And so, once you get the legendary NFTs, top 10 bidders will receive either one of the 8 exclusive legendary NFT goddesses, the first ever PolkaFantasy Genesis Land NFT, and a one-of-a-kind limited edition animated XP NFT rewarded to the highest bidder. So this is for the highest bidder. All NFTs within this tier group come with massive XP rewards. So remember that as well. And these are the top 10. So you've got to bid at least, just now, $6,000 to get into the top 10. So a lot of people like me will be waiting until the last day to get in on this auction. I'm still not decided yet. I was going to put $20,000 into this because of the rewards and because of how big this is going to be. I think $20,000 is going to be a good investment. However, I don't think $20,000 is going to get in the top 10. It might because $6,000 is there just now, but we're going to have to wait and see tomorrow and the day after just kind of how it goes. Even if we can get in the top 10, I don't think we'll get the top. Honestly, let me know what you think in the comments down below, what you think the top bid will be for these NFTs. My guess for the top bids, probably going to be, I don't know, $50,000 to $100,000 on this. I might be totally wrong, I might be reading this market wrong, but I don't think so. And to get in the top 10, I think you'll have to spend at least $10,000, I would imagine. But you've still got the chance to get an epic, rare and common. Epic and rare I would be going for. If you can get the $250 in, I would definitely go for that as well just now. And also, if you do a single bid of $250 or above in the common tier, it will guarantee one of 10 limited edition weapons or items. But we'll have a look at the wallet. So we'll go to the wallet just now and just see how much USDT is collected. It's up to $627,000 and 801. So $620,801.32 is collected so far, and it's still got 2 days and 18 hours to go for this. So would I bid on this? Yes, I'm definitely going to go in. I'm going to look to get into the top 10 for this. I don't think I'll make it, but if I can get some of the epics NFTs, then I'll go for that as well. But it's going to be interesting to see what the top bid is going to be. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think the top bid is going to be? So remember, just now it's $15,466 and 38 cents from different wallets, and number 10 bid is $6,000 just now. So let me know what you think the top bid is going to be and the number 10 bid is going to be, i.e. how much is it going to be to get into the top 10 to get one of those legendary cards, or not legendary cards, but legendary NFTs. And you can see the artwork is just stunning. It's beautiful. It's Japanese anime as well. It's going to be big, I feel. So yeah, that's just about PolkaFantasy. That's for the NFT auction. I will do a longer piece about PolkaFantasy, why I think it's going to be huge. I'm looking forward to getting more information about the game aspect of this as well. So as I said, it's an NFT marketplace that's coming out as, but Q4 it will come out, and there will be a gaming section to this as well, which is why we're buying the NFTs in the first place. It's part of the gaming for it. Okay, if you've got any questions, and let me know your guesses for the top bid and number 10 bid down below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, namaste. Take care. Bye now.